Greetings from Team Optima HMS. Dear users, today we will learn about the Lab OPD booking. Please open Optima HMS application and enter your user credentials. Once logged in, you will be directed to the main dashboard of the Optima HMS application. Now please click on Lab OPD Booking. The Lab OPD booking system is an interface within the software that allows users to book lab tests for both registered and new patients. There is a search patient button which allows you to search for a patient by entering the patient's UHID, Aadhaar number, or full name. In case the patient is already registered with the hospital, you only need to enter the patient details and the rest of the registration fields will automatically populate with the patient's information. In case the patient is visiting for the first time, we must fill in all the patient's details. Let us see how it works. You must fill patient's name, contact number, and DOB. We are putting Mr. Anil Das as patient name. Now we need to categorize the patient based on their payment method, either cash or insurance. In this case, we have chosen the category as private cash for the patient. We need to select the referring doctor's name from the available options in the drop-down list. We need to enter the booking date for the patient, which we have chosen here as October 17th, 2024. Now you need to enter the patient's address. Now regarding lab tests, we need to add the tests prescribed by the doctor from the various options available in the software. We have chosen CBC and uric acid tests for this particular patient. We can also provide a discount if applicable for the particular patient. Once all the data is filled correctly, we must click on save and we will be ready to book a lab OPD appointment. Once the service process in Lab OPD is completed, all the details are recorded in the Lab OPD Booking Register. Now you must click on the Lab OPD Booking Register, where you can select the date range. This feature allows you to retrieve the patient's records within the specified date range. Now choose the category. This option always allows you to access patient's details, indicating whether the patient is booked under cash or insurance. Next, click the search button to retrieve the details of the patient booked in the Lab OPD. Here, the action button allows the user to print a bill or a lab slip from the drop-down list. You can also edit or add tests for the patient. You can also clear the due from the drop-down menu by selecting the payment in cash or UPI. So this is how we manage the Lab OPD booking. This video is for training purposes only. All data used here is for training purpose and have no relevance to any real patient. Thank you.